Looking for a way to automate file compression using PowerShell? 7-Zip is a powerful tool that lets you compress files efficiently using the command line. In this video, we'll walk through how to compress files and folders with 7-Zip in PowerShell. By the end, you'll know how to set up 7-Zip, create an alias for easier use, and execute compression commands like a pro. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview of the steps we'll follow. Step 1, check if 7-Zip is installed on your computer. Step 2, set up an alias in PowerShell for easier command usage. Step 3, define the source file and the destination path. Step 4, run the compression command and verify the output. Now let's go step by step. First, we need to check if 7-Zip is installed. Open File Explorer and navigate to c:/program files /7-zip. Inside this folder, look for a file named 7z.exe. This is the executable file we'll use for compression. If you don't have 7-Zip installed, visit 7-zip.org and download it for free. Once you've located the 7-Zip executable, open PowerShell and type this command. $7zip path equals $emb : program files /7zip /7z.exe . This stores the file location in a PowerShell variable, making it easy to use in our commands. To make our commands even simpler, let's create an alias. This lets us use a shorter name instead of typing the full path every time. Type this in PowerShell: set-alias space compress-7zip space $7zip path. Now instead of calling the full 7-Zip executable, we can just use compress7zip as our command name. Next, we'll define the file or folder we want to compress, as well as the location where we'll save the compressed archive. In PowerShell, you can type $source equals the source path enclosed in double quotes, and $destination equals the destination path enclosed in double quotes. This sets the input file and the compressed output file. Now let's execute the compression command. Type this in PowerShell: compress-7zip space a space -mx equals 9 space $destination space $source. The letter A tells 7-Zip to add files to a new archive. The -mx equals 9 option sets the highest compression level. $destination defines the output file name. $source specifies the file we're compressing. After running the command, check your destination folder. You should see the compressed file there. Let's quickly recap what we did. First, we located and assigned the 7-Zip path. Next, we created an alias for easier commands. Then we defined the source and destination paths. Finally, we ran the compression command using 7-Zip. But what if you don't have 7-Zip installed? No worries. Windows PowerShell has a built-in command for file compression. You can use the following instead. While this method works, 7-Zip usually offers better compression efficiency. And that's how you compress files using 7-Zip in PowerShell. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerShell automation tips. Check out the links in the description for additional learning resources. See you in the next video.